welcome back to another review. Today we're doing the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore-Tight Toner. This is a sample size. It's 20 milliliters in this. There's two sizes of like the actual product in 40 milliliters for the travel size that retails for $15, or you can get a 150 milliliter bottle for $34, which honestly, you do that math, that's a really good deal. So, I mean, that is not a bad idea, just saying. And if you like do the subscription thing, you can get it even lower. Anyway, so the detailing that it says on the Glow Recipe website about this: hydrate skin and tighten pores at once with this ultra gentle Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore-Tight Toner for supple, smooth skin. An essential part of any good skincare routine, toners help prep and plump skin to readily absorb the rest of your routine. Our innovative formula contains a balance of hydrating ingredients and pore-tightening actives to equally minimize the look of pores and hydrate skin with gentle yet effective pore actives such as PHA and BHA. Inspired by the Korean Aqua Peel Facial, which focuses on the duality of exfoliating and hydrating, this pore-tightening exfoliating toner helps achieve instantly glowing, pillow-soft skin. Results after 2 weeks, 100% showed a significant reduction in the appearance of pore size. After 4 weeks, 100% agreed their skin felt hydrated and replenished. 96% agreed this toner helped keep their pores clean and clear, and 96% agreed that this toner has made a difference in their skincare routine. So, the key ingredients. I'm sorry, I'm reading off my phone, so I'm not meaning to like look down and be shady, but like my phone is right here. I'll try to hold it up so it's not as creepy looking. Key ingredients: watermelon. Amino-rich watermelon extract intensely hydrates, soothes, and improves the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Cactus water contains electrolytes and amino acids that hydrate and help retain moisture. This ingredient is what gives the product its springy, stretchy texture. PHA. Polyhydroxy acids help to resurface and smooth skin while also removing buildup of dead skin cells. PHA's larger molecular size allow it to sink into skin more gradually, giving your skin more time to adjust and react, making it ideal for anyone, even sensitive skin types. It provides effective retexturing and smoothing results with minimal irritation. PHAs also have antioxidant benefits and humectant properties to help hydrate the skin. BHA. An oil-soluble ingredient that effectively penetrates the pore's outer surface and decongests clogged pores, making it one of the most effective ingredients in reducing the appearance of pores and blackheads. The formula includes 2 types of BHA: willow bark, a gentle natural source of BHA, and sugarcane, birch, and royal azalea tree-derived betaine salicylate. Hyaluronic acid, a humectant that anchors moisture within the skin, deeply penetrating it to keep skin hydrated and plump. This holy grail hydrator retains 1,000 times its weight in water to breathe new life to dry, rough skin. Tea tree extract, antimicrobial properties to help clean pores and soothe irritation. Cucumber, contains high percentage of water that helps to cool off skin. Caffeic acid, is that like caffeine? Caffeic acid to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, brightening vitamin C, and hydrating potassium. And this is free of parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, silicones, phthalates, drying alcohol, synthetic dyes, vegan, and it is Leaping Bunny certified and cruelty-free. So that's cool. We formulate using the minimal amount of fragrance when needed to create a sensorial, enjoyable skincare experience. Fragrance is always less than 0.5% of our formulations, and all fragrances are vegan and free of PCM compounds, acetone, and much more. So, honestly, really, really nice. Let's see here. How to use. How to use as a toner. Cleanse, then move on to this first liquid treatment in your routine. Dispense into the palm of hands and gently pat into skin. Don't wipe away or rub. Follow with your serum, moisturizer, and SPF or overnight mask depending on the time of day. If you prefer to use a reusable cotton pad, you can dispense the product onto the cotton pad and gently pat into skin. Again, don't wipe or rub to minimize friction. Well, I did bring a cotton pad, but apparently they're saying that it's not needed, so I'll do it this time just because I have it out and already set it down, and it wouldn't be sanitary to put it back in the bag after setting it down over here. But anyway, let's see here. How to use as a spot treatment after cleansing. Apply to areas of concern and pat into skin until fully absorbed. Pro tip, use Watermelon Pore-Tight Toner as a mini mask. After cleansing, soak your cotton pads with Watermelon Pore-Tight Toner and leave on your skin for 10 minutes. Follow with your usual skincare routine. You know, that is one of those things that a couple years ago I heard of people doing with different toners where they would soak these cotton pads in their toner of their choice and just leave it on their skin for like 10 minutes. It would obviously take multiple ones over the different parts of their face they'd want to do it on, and they would use it like a mask. And from what all I've heard, apparently, like, it does work. It just seems like a kind of spendy way to go about it unless you're using like a cheap toner. But for this one, I'm like, I don't know that I would want to waste it like that, but anyway, this little sample size bottle, it's hard to get it out of it, so I'm kind of like tapping it onto the cotton pad because it like doesn't want to come out easily. Okay, and even that just barely like soaked the pad, so I'm just gonna kind of pat it on the skin. And honestly, to me, it smells far more cucumbery than watermelony. So for those of you who have kind of steered clear of the Glow recipe, like the watermelon products line, this one may actually be one that you could hang with a lot more easily because of it not really having that watermelon scent. It's not like the dewdrops where it smells super watermelony. I love watermelon, but I mean, I also understand what all you guys are saying that aren't into it, so just throwing it out there for those of you who aren't into that scent. This may be an exception that you can hang with. Like, it's there a little bit, but it's like 90% cucumber scent to me. Anyway, it's a little bit watermelon, but it's more like natural watermelon instead of like that candy-ish watermelon that the dewdrops smell like. Sorry, my ponytail got hooked on the button on the back of my shirt. I was like, ow, that's pulling. So anyway, yeah, you just dab it on like that, and you're kind of good to go. You just carry on with your skincare routine from there on out. So I got a little cotton fluff up my nose, sorry, but anyway, so I have noticed a nice retexturing of my skin just since I've been using this. Obviously, this is a small bottle, so it doesn't look like I've used it a whole ton, but I have. I've been using it for a couple weeks now, even though it's only down like that far. But anywho, I really like this. I am highly considering buying like an actual bottle of it. I haven't decided if I'm going for the little one or the big one yet, but I think I want this. I think I want this because this one's pretty dang nice across the board. I love it how it makes my skin look and feel. I mean, look at that natural glow that I got just from that. I haven't even done any of the rest of my skincare routine yet. And this practically looks like I have highlighter on. It makes my skin glow, and I love that. Any product that accomplishes that automatically gets top marks in my book. So, and yeah, there's no irritation from it or anything. It feels really, really refreshing on my skin, especially on a hot day like today. Like, it's only like 8:55 right now, and it's already almost 90 out. It's fucking ridiculous, right? But California. So anyway, but yeah, I really like this stuff, and I highly recommend it. Even on like parts of my face that tend to react more sensitively than others, this does not cause any kind of reaction at all. It's just really, really lovely. I don't know that I can lean in enough to really show the improving of my pores, but I mean, those of you who are regulars on my channel know how huge my pores typically are. It's like, oh, they do look a bit smaller. I mean, they're still there. I mean, they're always going to be there. There is no way around that. But they don't look as horrifically noticeable as I feel like they do other times. So I will take that level of improvement. But yeah, so highly recommend it. Good stuff. So anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.